In this video, we are going to show you how to create a custom status category in Zendesk. Now, this is by default already enabled, but if for some reason it's not, it's quite simple. All you need to do is sign into your account, and once you are in your dashboard, look towards your upper left corner. It says support here. Click on the drop down and click on Admin Center at the very bottom option, and it's going to open a new tab. Once that tab loads up, you want to click on Objects and Rules. And under tickets, right? Under tickets, there's going to be ticket statuses. Right here is where you can create ticket statuses. So here you want to choose the category open, pending, or solved, name for agents view, so custom ticket status for agents, and then the description of this new status category. And then you can either click show end users a different view, and it's by default it's going to be set to active. Right after that, you can add a form if you want, but for the most part, that is practically how you create a ticket status. And just click next and you will be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.